Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Cloudways and Hostinger. Are you thinking about where to host your next website? Well, choosing between Cloudways and Hostinger can be a tough decision as both offer excellent services but cater to different needs. This comprehensive comparison will break down their features, the pricing, and pros and cons, thus helping you to make an informed choice for your online presence. We have the links to both Cloudways and Hostinger in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features. Now, both services have features with managed hosting for WordPress, free SSL certificates, automated backups, and 24/7 customer support. Now, here are the differences, starting with Cloudways. Now, Cloudways stands out by offering choice of top-tier cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, and Google Cloud, giving you an unparalleled flexibility and global reach for your infrastructure. Each server comes with dedicated resources including RAM, CPU, and SSD, ensuring consistent performance free from resource contention. For development and testing, Cloudways provides staging environments, and this helps to safely test website changes before going live alongside server cloning to quickly duplicate your setup for new projects or scaling. Additionally, it includes AI-powered performance monitoring with advanced tools to proactively track server health and application performance. Hostinger, on the other hand, simplifies web hosting with its intuitive hPanel, which is a custom control panel widely praised for its user-friendliness and simplicity, making it ideal for beginners. For those needing to build a website without coding, Hostinger offers a built-in website builder featuring an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Now, many Hostinger plans also offer a free domain name registration for the first year, adding significant value for new website owners. Now, to ensure faster loading times, Hostinger utilizes SSD storage across all its plans and employs Lightspeed web server technology. And lastly, it provides easy email management, allowing for the simple creation and management of professional email accounts tied to your domain. Now let's talk about the pricing, as this could be a crucial differentiator between both services. Now, Cloudways pricing depends on the chosen cloud provider and server specifications. They offer flexible plans for full control and autonomous plans for auto-scalable WordPress. Now, the provider also determines the price, but we'll be talking about DigitalOcean NVMe. It has the Micro at $14 per month with 1 GB of RAM and 1 TB of bandwidth. The Small at $28 per month with 2 GB of RAM and 2 TB of bandwidth. The Medium comes at $54 per month with 4 GB of RAM and 4 TB of bandwidth. The Large plan comes at $99 per month with 8 GB of RAM and 5 TB of bandwidth. On the other side of the pricing, Hostinger is known for its very competitive introductory pricing, especially for longer subscription terms. You have the web hosting plans, such as the premium web hosting, starting at $2.99 per month. And this includes 25 GB of SSD, unlimited SSL, and weekly backups. Then you have the business web hosting plan at $3.99 per month. And this includes 50 GB of SSD, and 100 mailboxes. This is an increment compared to Premium with 50 mailboxes. Then you have the Cloud Startup plan at $7.99. This includes 100 website, 100 GB of NVMe storage, dedicated IP, and priority support. And now I'd like to talk about the pros and the cons. Starting with Cloudways. On the bright side, you have exceptional performance, scalability and flexibility, robust security, excellent support, and advanced developer features. On the flip side, with the cons, the starting price can be considered as high. There is a steep learning curve, there is no free domain, no email hosting included, and no cPanel. Hostinger, on the other hand, with the pros, can be highly affordable, user-friendly hPanel, free domain and SSL, good performance for price, and comprehensive features. On the flip side, with the cons, it has shared resources. Now, as with most shared hosting, hosting, performance can be impacted by other websites on the same server during peak times. Then you have renewal prices. Introductory prices are often slightly lower than renewal rates. Then you have support response times. Now, while there is a 24/7 support, response times can sometimes vary during busy periods. Then you have limited server control, where there is less control over the server environment compared to Cloudways cloud options. Scalability limitations. While they offer cloud plans, their shared hosting has inherent limits to extreme scalability. In conclusion, both Cloudways and Hostinger are excellent web hosting providers, but they serve different segments of the market. Hostinger is ideal for choice beginners, small businesses, or anyone prioritizing affordability and ease of use. Its intuitive H panel, included free domain and competitive pricing, makes it a great starting point for launching a website without a steep learning curve. On the other hand, Cloudways shines for experienced users, developers, and businesses with demanding applications that require high performance, robust scalability, and granular control. Its top-tier cloud providers and dedicated resources ensure your website can handle significant traffic and complex functionalities. So, are you ready to start your web hosting journey? Have you made your choice? Well, let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the links provided in the description below to get an easy access to Cloudways or Hostinger as you're making your choice for the perfect plan for your needs. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.